Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. On today's video we're going to be doing some repairs on my passenger left hand door, driver's side if you're in the US. Anyway, please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that sort of stuff. Help us out, get up to 1,000 subscribers, and that I will be doing a small giveaway of a t-shirt, and I'll flip you around and I'll walk around here. And a Michelin tyre service sign. It's just a repop, and that just a little cheap sign, nothing fancy. Just thought that yeah, we'll do it as a giveaway, and yeah, haven't pulled the shirt out, but I've got shirts in there, and I've got to get them all printed, a bunch more there. So yeah, don't forget, jump over into my description down here in the video to go to the GoFundMe link and help us raise some funds for that trip. Anyway, till next time, stay safe and keep the rubber side down. See you shortly. Roll that intro. Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Going to do part 2 on the passenger door. Don't remember if I've actually put the first part up, I'll have to look, but anyway, part 2, maybe part 1. Can't keep track of everything at the moment. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this section here out, and we're going to finish trimming that up and folding the edge, so then we can weld that section into there. So yeah, so we will be back in a tick, and we'll get into trying to get this in. Okay, we're back, we're on the tripod. I'll flip you around and we'll cut this section out. So, sorry about the shitty camera work. There's nothing wants to stay where it wants to. Anyway, let's get this out. So I'll be back. just check it fine. It's the hole in there. So I've just cleaned it back. I'm not going to touch it, but there's a bit of a dent there. And that. But then when we come over to here, it has a low spot here from when they've done a previous repair. There you can see where it's been welded. And that, so we'll make another patch up. I'll try and take it up a bit further to get rid of that low spot. If I've got enough material. But anyway, I'm going to stop here. You might be able to see the sweat is just starting to run off me. And yeah, and I've just got a small bit on there. So I'll stop for now and then we'll come back later. So what I've done is I've gone and used the flapper disc to break it away from the lip, so I can now take that back and open up all this grossness, just dirt and crap. So where's that screwdriver gone? Up top there. So yeah, so yeah, if I was doing somebody else's car, and that, depending on everything, if the skin's still good, then I would look at probably unfolding the skin, and that, or leaving the lip of the skin there and doing what I've done here and just grinding it back, and that, and then just trimming and then welding along the edge again to clean all of the inside frame up. Now I have other doors there that I've either got to do a partial skin or a whole skin on. So yeah, so it's a little hole there. But for some reason they've tried to weld it up. You can see that there's a weld there and a weld there, so they've put this thin ass bit of metal in. So I'll go around and clean all this up, find my little wire wheels, and we'll get into giving it a bit of a buzz. So yeah. So it looks pretty reasonable. I guess we could probably, yeah, so it doesn't look too bad down in there. Clean up some of that. So where so yeah, we'll go in, clean all that up as best as we possibly can, and make sure these holes here through any further. And, so we've got along the top there. So when I find that tool, we'll go along and give it a bit of a clean, and then I'll show you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Thanks for tuning in, and big shout out to Dexter at Metalman Tools. So if you've got any tool inquiry, jump over and see Metalman Tools. www.metalmantools.com.au. Okay, so I'll roll the intro and then we'll get into this video. Okay, so we're back. Now it's quite hot here again today, so just snibbering along with a short video. Not sure if I've put the other one up yet or not. We could possibly just roll this in with that one, but I'll flip it around and I'll show you what I've done so far. So on this video we are where'd it go? We've made a little template to go into that area there. Oops, sorry. So yeah, we've cleaned up in there and kilt rusted again a bit more. It's all dry, and I've welded in this patch and this lower section here, and that then I will coat all in there before we do this. So yeah, so I've made this little patch, cut out of this bit, which was that bit there, and I've just cleaned it all up a little bit, and in a little bit after I cool down again I will cut out the said piece to weld into there. So we will be back in a little bit. So we just found a bit of scrap, drawn out the shape, and we're just going to cut it out in a minute with the grinder. So we'll be back. So I've cut that out, and now I've welded it in, and I'll go on the back side, move everything off, flip it over, and I'll weld up along the back as well. Let's weld it in on this side. So yeah. Okay, it's a whole new day, and I really have to have another shave. Anyway, just to show you where we left off yesterday, and that with the video, we've welded this section here in the corner. I've still got a little bit of cleaning to do there, a couple of pinholes there, clean that up. I've cut out this little bit of rust here, and got a little section cut out there, so I'll put it on the tripod a little bit later when I'm ready, and I'll start welding that in, and I'll tap that around to get that curve shape, and hopefully it will go in to where it needs to. So yeah. So anyway, we will leave you to it, and yeah, I'll come back to you in a short period of time when we're on the tripod. Back soon. So we will let that cool down and then we'll come back and then we'll do a few more tacks. And yeah, back again, back soon. So I've gone along, I've welded that pinhole area up the top there, welded the patch in, blew out down there a little bit again, but I managed to get it all welded, and then if you look, there's no pinholes at the moment, so we'll find out after we clean all that weld back. Back after. Well, we got that bit in, a little bit more to clean up. Again, just going over it once more, a couple little bits down there. And that's that corner replaced, and that little bit of rust that was there as well. Then we will flip her over and start on the outer section. Beer o'clock. So we've got this section done. A little low spot there, but that's okay. Not too low. Around here, so a little bit of skim fill on that there, and down into the corner. Other than that, it's good, it's solid, and yeah. So I'm going to wax some go through primer on it now, and well, just maybe a little bit of weld through down along here. Cover that back up with a bit of black, and then we'll flip it over and we'll look at doing the outer. Oops. Back in a little while. So yeah.
Yeah, some of those seats are not.
Oh, yep, that's it in the edge. So I didn't bother to record me welding this patch in and that, but yeah, that's it so far. As you can see, where is it? Oops, shit. Look carefully, it's nice and flush. And then it will be flush when I get it down. It's probably not the flattest. No, it's like they're really bent. But yeah, so straight there. And hopefully we'll work out how to notch this out, and then we'll fold that over. So we'll got to work out this section here. It's like the door's not straight, so I don't know if the bottom here has to. I'll check out the driver's side. But I'll have to notch some of this here out to fold that over, and yeah, So as you can see, I've curved it and that to let the heat disperse outwards. So there's very shouldn't be any raw warpage now, but we'll see how I go cleaning it up. But I'll finish welding the rest of this along first. I've got a little lap there. Yeah. So it's pulled, as you can see, it's pulled this bit here up. So the rest of it's pretty good. Back after I finish it. So I've gone and finished the door off, rounded the weld back, so I just didn't want to bore you with that. It's not too bad. It's going to need a bit of a skim filler, but what I'm going to be doing anyway, once the door's all stripped back and I've taken everything else out, I've repaired the other door corner inside and out. I will skim coat the whole door with filler and then block the whole thing out, and then whatever's left is all the small low spots. So you can see there's a low spot there, a low spot there, and a couple there, and a little bit there on the old skin because that was a dent already that I couldn't get out. And then yeah, fix that up when I fill it, because when I do the fill I will put a little bit of fiberglass resin in it, skim it over that way, so all the edges will be strong and shouldn't chip. So yeah, or I might just try and re-weld it up a little bit more later on. Time will tell, because yeah. So, but other than that, I think the door was just a couple of mils out at the bottom, and that, not much I can really do about that. But yeah, so anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share, and check out my friends' pages down in the description box. Till next time, don't forget, if you jump over to metalmantools.com.au and yeah, grab your tools from Dexter. Cheers, Dexter. So yeah, anyway, I'm off. Till next time, keep the upside down. Cheerio.